Welcome to Home Organizing for Beginners. I'm Tammy, your home organizing educator. In each episode, I share a microscopic home organizing topic. That just means it's something you can implement today from start to finish if you so choose. So today's microscopic home organizing topic is this: the best way to get rid of the stuff you declutter. Do you find that as you're living daily life, you sometimes come across something and you think, oh, I should get rid of this? Like we don't even use it anymore. Something like maybe clothes or toys that your kids have outgrown, maybe even some of your own clothing that you don't like or wear anymore. Basically, you're ready to declutter some items from your home. The simplest way I've found to get stuff out of my home that I no longer want or use is to donate it. Today I'll share the problems you're running into that's preventing you from donating your stuff. I'll share what the solution is, why it works, and how you can implement it. This is what you're seeing in your home, and these are the problems that you're really being presented with. So picture it. You walk past this little plastic shopping cart that your youngest, who's now 5 years old, used to play with, and you think, oh, that thing needs to go. Then you think, what should I do with it? Can I give it to someone? Nobody I know needs that. Can I sell it? I should probably sell it. So the questions just keep going. You walk away to leave it for another day because you feel frustrated and overwhelmed. You just don't know how to get the thing out of the house. You're putting your kids' clothes away. So this is another example. You're putting your kids' clothes away and you realize you can't cram any more into the kids' dresser drawers, right? You know there's a whole bunch of stuff in the bottom of that dresser drawer that doesn't fit them anymore. What do you do with it? It's clothes. You spent money on that stuff. Should you sell it? If you do sell it, how are you going to sell it? Where are you going to sell it? How much should I sell it for? There are a whole bunch of questions that you have to answer item by item when you're going to sell something. This is where you're at. You know you're ready to get rid of some of the stuff in your house. You see it every week, maybe every day. You're walking past it constantly. But how? You feel like you should set aside a whole entire weekend, maybe even a week, to declutter your entire house. And it all feels like a huge, overwhelming undertaking, right? This is not where you want to start. It's not the best solution for someone who is or feels like they're just starting their home organizing journey. Instead, you want to deal with the things as they come up. You can build this into your daily life by creating a simple donating process. That's the solution, a simple donating process. Don't ever overlook the simple solutions. In a bit, I'll share the steps needed to implement a donating process in your own home. But first, let's look at why setting up this process will work. When you know you have a process in place, you'll be able to immediately take action as soon as you decide you're ready to part with something. It becomes a question as you walk through your home. Can I donate this? It's a question you just start asking yourself. If the answer is yes, the item immediately moves into the process. The process is simple, and in my book, simple equals sustainable. When it's simple, that means it's something you're going to do. You'll have done the work up front and you won't have to do it every time you decide something can be donated. It's a one and done kind of thing. Your family will be able to help too. They can walk through their spaces and ask the question, can I donate this? And if they decide yes, they can move the item into the process as well. And I think a big bonus of this is that you're teaching your kids to donate their things. You're teaching them that their choice to part with something will actually benefit another person. How do you implement this solution? Step 1, research where in your area you can donate items to. This should be the easiest place to donate to, right? Simple equals sustainable. Our local St. Vincent de Paul allows us to drop off into these huge totes that are located outside the door. It's perfect for me because basically I can drop the items off at my convenience and it only takes minutes. I back up to the totes, I unload my items into the proper tote, and I'm off to the next errand. Step 2. Now that you know where the items will be donated to, you can set up a spot in your home where you'll place the things you're ready to donate. It can be a box, a shelf, any space really works, and make sure you put a big label on it that says donate. Step 3. Decide how often you'll deliver the things to the place you're donating to and schedule it in your calendar. This way, you'll have that reminder to check the spot in your home and make it an intentional decision about taking the items in or waiting until the next scheduled time. I like to wrap up every episode with a single point to remember. This point is meant to help you remember what you've learned today so that you can make progress and build momentum in your home organizing journey. Today's point to remember is this: can I donate it? I want you to remember that question as you're walking through your house. So, again, today's point to remember: can I donate it? To learn your options to continue your home organizing journey with me by your side, go to homeorganizingforbeginners.com. Thanks so much and have a great day. I hope we have the opportunity to get to know each other better.